MCQ questions and answers on Angul district. 1. Which state is Angul district located in? A. Odisha. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Telangana. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer A. Odisha. 2. Which dynasty ruled Angul district in ancient times? A. Kalinga. B. Gajpati. C. Somvanshi. D. Bhauma. Answer C. Somvanshi. 3. What was the name of the princely state that Angul was part of? A. Talcher state. B. Dhenkanal state. C. Athmalik state. D. Angul state. Answer B. Dhenkanal state. 4. What is the main industry in Angul district? A. Agriculture. B. Mining. C. Manufacturing. D. Power generation. Answer D. Power generation. 5. Which sector contributes significantly to Angul's economy? A. Textile. B. Steel. C. Aluminium. D. Coal. Answer C. Aluminium. 6. What is a popular tourist destination in Angul district? A. Deolzhari Hot Spring. B. Talcher Temple. C. Angul Temple. D. Tikarpara Wildlife Sanctuary. Answer A. Deolzhari Hot Spring. 7. Which festival is celebrated with great fervor in Angul district? A. Dashehra. B. Diwali. C. Ganesh Chaturthi. D. Nuakhai. Answer D. Nuakhai. 8. What is the literacy rate of Angul district according to 2011 census? A. 70%. B. 75%. C. 80%. D. 85%. Answer B. 75%, approximate. 9. Which traditional dance form is popular in Angul district? A. Odissi. B. Chhau. C. Gotipuya. D. Dalkhai. Answer A. Odissi. 10. What is the main language spoken in Angul district? A. Orya. B. Hindi. C. English. D. Telugu. Answer A. Orya. 11. What is the name of the major railway station in Angul district? A. Angul Railway Station. B. Talcher Railway Station. C. Dhenkanal Railway Station. D. Cuttack Railway Station. Answer A. Angul Railway Station. 12. Which national highway passes through Angul district? A. NH 55. B. NH 42. C. NH 23. D. NH 59. Answer A. NH 55. 13. What is the name of the famous hot spring located in Angul district? A. Deolzhari Hot Spring. B. Tikarpara Hot Spring. C. Angul Hot Spring. D. Talcher Hot Spring. Answer A. Deolzhari Hot Spring. 14. Which temple is a popular tourist destination in Angul district? A. Talcher Temple. B. Angul Temple. C. Dhenkanal Temple. D. Sarla Temple. Answer A. Talcher Temple. 15. How many blocks are there in Angul district? A. 8. B. 10. C. 12. D. 14. Answer A. Art. 16. Which river flows through Angul district? A. Mahandi. B. Brahmani. C. Baitarani. D. Suvarnarekha. Answer. B. Brahmani. 17. What is the main mineral found in Angul district? A. Coal. B. Iron ore. C. Chromite. D. Bauxite. Answer. A. Coal. 18. Which hot spring is located in Angul district? A. Deulzhari hot spring. B. Tikarpara hot spring. C. Angul hot spring. D. Talcher hot spring. Answer. A. Deulzhari hot spring. 19. What is the name of the wildlife sanctuary in Angul district? A. Tikarpara Wildlife Sanctuary. B. Deulzhari Wildlife Sanctuary. C. Angul Wildlife Sanctuary. D. Talcher Wildlife Sanctuary. Answer. A. Tikarpara Wildlife Sanctuary. 20. Which festival is celebrated with great fervor in Angul district? A. Dashehra. B. Diwali. C. Ganesh Chaturthi. D. Nuakhai. Answer. D. Nuakhai.